it's a very similar type of product to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I think one key difference, which is perhaps a little bit more technical, but what we've found with Salesforce a lot is you kind of have to force your data into that schema of how Salesforce thinks about, whether that's contacts, leads. Obviously, there's quite a lot of organization within Salesforce that is typically quite a big lift across teams. With the flexibility of GrowthLoop, because we sit on top of that data warehouse, you are, one, not locked into any kind of data structure that we would impose. You can just import your tables, so in this case, transactions, your customers' tables, as they appear, as they exist in your data warehouse, and essentially just get to work right away with that audience builder. And then also activate to those tools that you are using. And so you can still use Salesforce if that's a tool that you want to use in terms of emails or other messaging. So we do send these, like we do with Braze, we send these audience segments over to Salesforce. But this is kind of keeping it agnostic to the actual tools that you're using and directly connects to your data warehouse. So there's no additional, like in more technical parlance, there's no kind of additional data modeling or additional ETL between your data warehouse and Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So as a marketer, ideally, you don't need to go back to your data team and say, hey, I need this table into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Here's how it kind of maps out into the structure. Let me know when you've got that after you've submitted a ticket. In an ideal world, if it exists in the data warehouse, you can access it as a marketer and start to use it in your campaigns.